So yes people, this is some goat meat, mutton or mutton. Um so I go scrape the skinny part like this part. I go scrape them and then wash the meat in some vinegar or lime juice, and then I go cut it up so you'll see the finished product. And these are my tools what I'm going to use engage in a cutting. And I have a meat, a cutting board. And I make be nice. Alright, so people, this is the finished product when I finish cut up the meat. The goat meat. These are all in this different variety of seasons that's gonna go on it. They have onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, garlic, and my wife on the way with the ginger. They have a put piece of ginger in it. Over here, so I have the pimento and the curry powder and all the various meat seasoning from Jamaica. Over here, so at the bone, we come out of the meat. You don't throw your bone. You save a bone for the soup and all about the goat soup. So this is it, Jenko people. Over here, so we have a pot of bubble for the rice and peas. So this is the process. You cut up all the ingredients them and you rub it in. Yeah. What you can do, you can tip a little bit of oil in it to make it marinate throughout the whole meat and thing. So yes people, this fully seasoned now. So I just make it go and soak for a couple of hours, probably 3 hours. Normally if I do this from the night before, like Saturday night, but I'm too lazy. So deal with it today. The whole process, you cut up the meat, clean it, scrape it, wash it, cut it up, season it, take me more than an hour. That's why I mean I like cooking take patience. If I don't have patience, your food not gonna cook good. And my kitchen liquor people, so yeah, my kitchen is very liquor, but the art of cooking is clean as you go. Never cook and not do anything in your kitchen dirty. You must clean as you go, brother. So this is it now people. It has simmer down. Yeah, so don't know. Curry strong in night, season strong in night. Goat I got taste good.